on the top, facing forward with the buttons towards you, and simply flip it over. And this compartment right here houses your battery. So all you need is an eyeglass screwdriver or a small Phillips head screwdriver, and you simply remove the 2 sets of screws that are there, and then you'll notice the door pops up a little bit. From here, you can pull back the door, and you will see your battery. All you have to do is, if we look down in here, there's a connection. It's a little toggle. Simply squeeze the toggle and pull up, and there you can see that's the toggle I'm referencing. Take your new battery. You're going to make sure that you grab your top there, toggle facing towards you, just like it was before. Press into place. After you press into place, give it a nice little tug, not too hard on the wires. Kind of tuck everything in there. Grab our battery door once again, slip it into place, and then you're just going to take your screws and screw the door back down, and take your robot vacuum, flip it over, press the power button on the top, make sure that you actually have a fully charged battery. There you go.